Yeah, hi. The project title name is Digital Weather Station using 8051 microcontroller. So here we are using 8051 microcontroller IC 8089S52 microcontroller. So we are using three sensors: LM35 temperature sensor, LDR sensor, humidity sensor. Those are connected with the analog input A0, A1, A2 of MCP3208 ADC IC. You can add 3-4 sensors also. Total 8 ADCs you can connect. So those are connected with SPI protocol serial peripheral interface. It is connected to the port to 2.4567, and final switch button. Whatever the data is storing onto the sensor, data is storing onto the EEPROM. So we can retrieve the data through switch button. So 16x2 LCD display, character LCD display, whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. So USB to TTL, you can connect the hyper terminal. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using a 230 input step down transformer, 9 volts output AC, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 IC, and 330 ohm resistor. So this entire section is called 5 volts power supply unit. So this is 8089S52 microcontroller IC, reset button, 16x2 LCD display, character LCD display. It is connected with the port to 0. So port to 1, it is we are not connecting. Port to 3.4, it is connected to the final switch button. So here we are connected with port to 3.1 TXD. It is connected to the USB to TTL module, and 24C08. So EEPROM IC we are using MCP3208 ADC successive approximation 12-bit ADC. It will read this data, sensor data, LM35 temperature sensor, LDR sensor, humidity sensor. So now I am going to connect it to the PC hyper terminal. Okay, so it should be on. So now let's go for the tools and the start button. Go to the Flash Magic, and the Flash Magic. So you can check the device manager also, comport number. So go to tools, terminal, and COM3. So we checked on the device manager. Okay, so here it will come the data. Okay, so now we will go for the now we are pressing the reset button. Digital weather station using 8051 microcontroller IC. Okay, so we can digital weather station data storage. Okay, now the sensor data will become on the hyper terminal. Okay, so T for temperature. Okay, so temperature. Now I'm going to increase the temperature through dipstick. 64. Here also it will updated. 64, 81, 71. Okay, 73. So LDR, so we are giving the light, so it says 43. Okay, so now I will go for the humidity. So I am giving them humidity through my mouth. Okay, so it's 24, 28, 29. So now I'm going to press the final switch button. Okay, so now it is taking the data, EEPROM data storage to the PC hyper terminal. Now it is retrieving the data to the okay. So whatever we okay, so temperature continuously 81, 71, 81, 71, 85, 85, 73, 64. So whatever the stored data into the EEPROM, that EEPROM data we are getting through hyper terminal to PC. Okay, so once data is removed, it will tell so EEPROM stored data display is PC finished. Now it is going the next address. So temperature sensor, LDR sensor, and humidity sensor, EEPROM MCP320 ADC. So EEPROM IC 11.05 into MHz crystal, 8051 8089 S52 microcontroller, 16x2 LCD display, and the power supply module. So this is our block diagram. Okay, so we are getting the data onto the PC. Thank you.